Tatiana, thank you. We are helping you get out the door and get your Friday and your weekend started.
Yeah, a nice ring to it, right? But get ready for strong winds to move in, and Ryan, it's going to really change how it feels outside.
It really is for us. Even though temperatures are going to forecast to be up into the 40s for us, it's very rarely going to actually feel like that because of our high wind advisory across all of Northwest Ohio, southeastern Michigan. We say it many times around here. If you can get a day that's warm and no wind, that's fantastic, but it's very, very rare, and today is certainly not going to check either of those boxes. Only 40 degrees right now in Toledo, 45 in Findlay, 36 in Wauseon, and 38 in Adrian. I want to show you this, how those winds are going to pick up once again through this morning. As soon as the sun comes up, we immediately start seeing that wind pick up 35, 40 miles an hour, very likely, and even gusts 45 closer to 50 miles an hour, not completely out of the question today. So it is a completely hang on to your hat kind of day today with those windy gusts continuing into the early evening for tonight. So that means a cooler feeling weekend, highs in the 30s for Saturday and Sunday. And there it is. Yes, some light snow potential Sunday morning. Watch as a little system comes in here. Could get some snow as early as late Saturday evening, but more likely Sunday morning. Accumulations, most spots around a ½ inch, maybe a few spots up to an inch of new accumulation. So there you go, back to February for this weekend. We'll take a dive into your full 10-day forecast here coming up. And Sophia, how about some more news you and the newsroom have worked so hard on overnight?
Yeah, Ryan.